Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the settings menu orientation. So, at first we have to enter this menu, of course. So, if you did something strange and your menu is upside down, don't worry, I get you. At first we have to enter our menu using clicking 2 times on the back of our monitor this button. And here we have to scroll down. I don't know if you see this if your menu is upside down, but you can do it. To menu. Here we have to scroll down to menu rotation. And here we have landscape, which is 0. And if you have this upside down set to 0, here we have portrait. Here we have landscape rotation, and here we have portrait flipped. Let me set it to landscape, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.